That's exactly what he did.
It didn't work.
He's still huffing.
Is it cold, Joe?
Is that your duckies? Is that gold? Yeah, but it's okay. Not yours, Claus. No.
So she's going to drink it.
No, she was just going to take the duck.
She was going duck hunting.
Uh-huh. Where's Henry? Henry would jump right in there with you. Oh yeah. You like that. Oh, that's cold, child.
It don't phase him a bit.
No, hell no. He loves it. He's gonna stick his face down in it.
He just did.
You can't breathe that stuff, boy. So look. Ooh. He likes sticking his face
Yeah.
in it.
Yeah, look at that. You monkey. You're a monkey. I think you're part fish.
It doesn't. That's what freaks most kids out. Is sticking
Yeah.
their face underwater.
Yeah.
That's definitely not freaking him out.
He's a strange child. I'm sorry. He's just weird. He gets that from his mother's side of the family. He gets that from his mother's side of the family.
Right.
What, being freaky?
Yeah, being weird.
No.
We'd never be weird.
Hey,
We're not the
gonna leave
weird
him here
type.
for about 10 minutes and run upstairs. We'll be right back.
Okay.
Come on, Mom.
You are so strange, child. You're just strange.